Got another video on here for you, YouTube. Got our KX400 KFX right here. Picked this one up not too long ago. Needed a couple of XYZs, the reason why I haven't done a video on it. But yeah, let me walk you through this. We got new Nerf bar nets. We got a radiator, brand new. The fan is actually still in great shape, still works perfect. I replaced the sensors and the radiator, kept the fan. The fan that came with was not adequate. It needed a tear into a whole bunch of wires, and I didn't feel like doing that, so I reused the old one, which was pretty much the same. Now here's what we got going on. Take a look at that. Tie rod was bent, and I'm having a problem with the old tie rod keeping it tight. So took everything apart, and this is the one from the right side, and that's the one from the left side. You can see the bow in that. So yeah, it was rather shot. And this one right here was from the TRX 200 that I replaced the other day. But this is the new come about. Trying to get her done. Needs new graphics. And the tie rods are coming in soon. Should be here on eBay in what, next 2 or 3 days. When I got it, it needed a whole bunch of work, like I said. I have a new master cylinder, reservoir, a new caliper, brake system set up, the entire braking system coming in. New radiator hoses, top and bottom, which came with the radiator. When I got it, it was bubbling antifreeze inside there. It was low. It was just, fan wasn't kicking on. Sensors weren't making any communication. So I went off and bought again. I bought a new radiator, and the radiator came with all new sensors. I didn't have to try too hard, just in and out. And here is the old radiator. Not that bad a shape. Still has the sensors attached to it, nor would I reuse it. But my primary problem is the cap has cracks in it, allowing air to get in, allowing the antifreeze to bubble up. Now the cap itself was like 30 bucks. Radiator with the fan, brand new radiator with the fan and the sensors and everything, was about 120. And since it was old, might as well just yank it and put a new one in. But the KFX 400 runs very hot as well, and being liquid cool, I think that's its only positive side. If not, the head would have definitely melted on this thing a long time ago. Heat wrap, I know I didn't put the silicone spray on it. I'm going to redo it. I unfortunately grabbed 2 boxes of 50 feet long instead of one. Didn't read the description. Yes, I know. But I have plenty enough to do this 500 times over again. So I will be redoing it and putting on the proper silicone spray to conserve the black. New spring pedal. One thing you have to watch out for on these KFX 400s is the rear end's real weak. And you can see that this one's already been welded. So one thing, you know, if you own one, you'll already know that if it isn't welded, it's going to have to get welded sometime soon. Other than that, this is the way it came. I put some accessories on there, cleaned up the plastics, got all those garbage stickers on there, the last joke I'd put on there. And yeah, so in your comments, let me know what you think of the KFX and how it goes against the KFX 450. Which one you think is better, and if there's any tricks that you guys know of when it comes down to alignments on these, be sure to put them in the comments as well below. I do my best, but sometimes it doesn't come out the best. So anyway, thanks for the view. Appreciate you guys. Bye.